my new cologne and perfume. It's Sammy the skunk, and you know what? He really doesn't smell. But that. Oh, get over here, Sammy. How you doing, Sammy? You want a little treat? Do you have a treat here for him? Or maybe he's. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. Oh, boy. Oh, he likes you, Dirk. I guess he wants more treat. Hey, you're going to have a lot of fun with this. It's one of our spring animals. It's Sammy the skunk. Look at that face right there. How could you not like Sammy, right, Sammy? Good. And why don't we do something else? Why don't we include a DVD on our spring animals, what to do, all the routines with it. That is included with Sammy. What do you think, Sam? Is that a good combination? Yeah, he likes it. So Sammy the skunk and a free DVD.